In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this image by using Blender and Stable Diffusion XL. Please use Workbench with 768 by 768 resolution without composite nodes. This was a simple scene created with duplicated and scaled default cube. Let's create a cube, and type S to scale, Shift D to duplicate, and type G and Z as in zebra to move on the Z axis. Let's create a perspective wall by using a cube with its front face removed. Please render the image and import it in Stable Diffusion. I'll share the full prompts in the description below. Please remember to set the preprocessor to none, and select the correct depth model. This was the first image. Then I used Stable Diffusion's image-to-image feature to produce higher quality images. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.